Once upon a time, in a verdant forest teeming with life, there lived a vibrant Oriole named Orion. Known for his brilliant orange plumage, he was the most resplendent bird in the entire woodland. One day, Orion found himself caught in a storm, his feathers drenched and spirits dampened. As he struggled to find shelter, he spotted an olive branch hanging from a tree, far beyond his reach. In his desperation, Orion tried to fly towards it, but the wind was too strong, and the branch was too high. He felt a sense of despair creeping in, as the storm continued to rage around him. Suddenly, a wise old owl named Oswald flew by. Seeing Orion's plight, he landed on a nearby branch and asked, "Why so troubled, young Orion? Is there nothing I can do to help?" Orion explained his situation, and Oswald, with a thoughtful gaze, said, "There is a lesson in every challenge, young one. Sometimes, we must learn to adapt, to change our perspective, and to seek help when needed." With a glimmer of hope, Orion looked at the olive branch again. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and focused. With a sudden surge of determination, he took flight, flapping his wings harder than ever before. As he flew, he realized that the solution was not in his initial approach, but in his determination and adaptability. With renewed vigor, he reached out and grabbed the olive branch just as the storm began to subside. Orion returned to his nest, his spirits uplifted. He had learned a valuable lesson that day, that in the face of adversity, it is not just about reaching for the stars, but about the journey and the lessons we learn along the way. From that day forward, Orion was not just a beautiful bird, but a symbol of resilience and adaptation, a beacon of hope in the forest, known for his wisdom and determination. The story of Orion and the olive branch became a tale told to all creatures in the woodland, reminding them to never give up, to adapt, and to seek help when needed. And so, the forest continued to thrive, filled with birds who lived their lives with wisdom and determination, always learning, always growing, and always adapting, just like the vibrant Oriole, Orion.